Welcome to the math classes. Let's do some critical conics questions based on PYQs from JEE, JEE mains. Okay. Through the PYQ questions, we'll learn some concepts and apply them in the conics. Let A and B be the 2 points of intersection of the line x plus 5 equal to 0 and the mirror image of parabola y square equal to 4x with respect to the line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. If D denotes the distance between A and B and A denotes the area of triangle SAB, where S is the focus of the parabola y square equal to 4x, then the value of A plus D is. Again, draw the picture correct. Okay. So there is a parabola, okay, y square equal to 4x. Its focus is S. Okay, S is focus of the y square equal to 4x, which is given. This is focus is S. Of course, we know the vertices is 0, 0, and this is 1, 0, which also we know from y square equal to 4x. Now, the mirror image of this parabola onto this line x plus y equal to x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so how do you find this mirror image equation of this parabola? First thing is find out where the focus is coming. Okay, and then maybe other points if required you find out, and then we'll find the equation, and let's see whether we require equation or not first. Okay, so and this focus this parabola intersects with the line y plus 5 equal to 0. That's what is given. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, now I need to find out the mirror image of this focus S onto this one. Okay, not this one. Okay, it can come anywhere, but let's see where it comes. First thing is reflection of point m comma n over the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is. Okay, how do you find out? Nothing but x minus m by a equal to y minus n by b equal to minus 2 times am plus bn plus c divided by a square plus b square. You apply this formula and find out the focus of parabola y square equal to 4x is 1, 0, which we know. So reflection of 1, 0 over this line is x minus 1 by 1 equal to y minus 0 by 1 equal to minus 2 times 1 plus 4 by 1 plus 1. So from this I can get my focus, reflection of the focus is minus 4 comma minus 5. So minus 4 comma minus 5, I know that it will be on the line y equal to minus 5. Correct? Correct. S dash lies on this line. Okay. Now that means AB is the latest rectum of the reflection of y square equal to 4x. What I mean to say is, if I draw the parabola here, my AB are these 2 points. Okay. Correct? Because AB are the points on y equal to minus 5, y plus 5 equal to 0, and S dash also stays on this one. That means AB is latest rectum of this parabola. So AB is the distance of latest rectum. Correct? So will it be different from this parabola? No, it will be same, right? It is just a mirror image. The AB distance will be same as latest rectum here, which is y square equal to 4x. Latest rectum is nothing but 4. So D is equal to 4. We don't need to construct the parabola equation here. And what is the triangle SAB area? SAB. Okay, S is here, AB is here. So it is base is half into base. Base is 4, we know. And height. Height is 1, 0, and here it is y equal to minus 5. Right? Right? It is perpendicular here. Okay. So only difference is y coordinate is 0 to minus 5, which is 5. So 5 half into 4 into 5, which is 10. This is my area. So A plus D is nothing but 10 plus 4, which is 14. That is the answer. Okay. Hope you understand how to draw this picture. The drawing the picture is most important. If you draw this correctly, you got the answer. Okay. Next. First one is let circle C be the image of x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0 in the line 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, and A be the point on C. A be the point on circle C such that OA is parallel to x-axis and A lies on the right hand side of the center of circle. Okay, center O of circle. Okay, O is the center of the circle here. If B, which is alpha comma beta, where beta is less than 4, less than or equal to 4, lies on the C such that length of the arc AB is 1/6 of the perimeter of C, then what is beta minus square root of 3 alpha? Okay, the question is really big. First thing is you should draw the right diagram. Okay, the circle C, okay, is an image of this circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 means this is the circle. this C is this is the image of the circle, and everything is on the image, okay, not on the first circle. On the line, in this line, okay, this circle is image on this line, in this line, okay, and A be the point on C, okay, A is here, it can be anywhere, okay, I just choose it here, such that OA is parallel to x-axis, okay, this looks parallel to this line, which is not x-axis, but just imagine OA is parallel to x-axis, okay, and lies on the right hand side of the center O, okay, right hand side of the center O. If P is any point alpha comma beta on this circle such that, okay, arc of AB is 1/6 of perimeter, okay, so this arc AB is 1/6 of perimeter, okay. Now find out beta minus square root of 3 alpha, okay, this is the question. First thing is, let's find out center. What is the center? Okay, center of this circle is, and then image of this one, right? That's all you need to find. So this circle is nothing but x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to 3 square, okay, which means the mirror image also, you have the O center, and radius will be 3, okay. So reflection of 1 comma minus 2 on 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 is nothing but, how do you do it? Yeah, this is how you do it. X minus 1 divided by 2. How did you get this? X is x, x minus 1 divided by 2 equal to y minus of minus 2 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 2 times, substitute this point here, okay, 2 times 1 plus minus 3 times minus 2 plus 5, which is 2 plus 6 plus 5 divided by a square plus b square, 4 plus 9, 13, okay. So this is the value. Now, from this one, I can easily find out what is my x and y. X is minus 3, y is 4. This is the mirror image of center of this circle on this line. Okay. So, center O, which is O, right? O is nothing but minus 3 comma 4. Now, we know center minus 3 comma 4. Next. Now, the equation of circle C is x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 9. Okay. Now, what is A? A is R distance from O, correct? It is on the x-axis. That's what is given, right? OA is parallel to x-axis. OA is parallel to x-axis. That means if I from O, if it is minus 3 by 3 comma 4 and A is on the right side, then it is at a distance only x coordinate will change, which is 3, right? OA is 3, radius is 3. So this coordinates of A will be 0 comma 3, because it is on the right hand side. We should add plus 3, then it will become minus 3 plus 3, which is 0, 0 comma 4. Okay, so A is 0 comma 4. Now I have my A, and B is nothing but alpha comma beta. Now angle BOA, how much is angle BOA? This is how much is the arc of this arc divided by total perimeter, correct? Length of the arc by total perimeter into 2 pi, 360 degrees, right? Which is nothing but, this is given as 1/6, so 2 pi by 1/6, which is pi by 3. Now I know that these two angles also equal, because this is the isosceles triangle, at least, okay. OA and OB will be both radius, so these two angles will be same. If this is 60 and these two angles are same, they will be also 60 and 60. OAB also 60, okay, which means AB equal to OA, AB equal to OA, which is 3, right? So now I have my AB, I have my OA, okay. Now what is that I need? AB square. AB square is nothing but distance between these two. This is 0 comma 4, this is alpha comma beta. So beta minus 4 whole square plus alpha square equal to 9. My OB square is nothing but, O is minus 3 comma 4, this is alpha comma beta. So it will become beta minus 4 whole square plus alpha plus 3 whole square equal to 9. If I solve these two, I get alpha as minus 3 by 2, beta as 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2, which means beta minus square root of 3 alpha is nothing but 4. This is the answer. Okay, hope you understand how to solve this problem. Okay, next. A line passing through the point A minus 2 comma 0 touches the parabola P, y square equal to x minus 2 at the point B in the first quadrant. The area of the region bounded by the line AB, parabola P, and the x-axis is. Again, drawing the picture is most important, as I said. Okay, so you have a parabola which is y square equal to x minus 2, and there is a line on minus 2 comma 0. Okay, minus 2 comma 0, there is a line, and if you see here, the vertex of this parabola is 2 comma 0, because this is x minus 2, this is y minus 0 whole square, so 2 comma 0 is the vertices, so it is in the same line. Okay, minus 2 comma 0 is on the axis. It is not important, but just know. Okay, so there is a tangent from A onto the parabola because this line is touching only 1 plus, correct? Now, y equal to mx plus, let y equal to mx plus c be the tangent, okay? So, c is equal to 2m. C is equal to 2m. How? I just substituted minus 2 comma 0 on this one. Minus 2 comma 0, if I substitute, I get c equal to 2m. Okay. So that means y equal to mx plus 2m is my tangent. Okay. Now, for the point B, okay, tangent and parabola, solve the tangent and parabola. Then you get this point B. Okay. This point B, how do you get it? You have to solve this equation of tangent and the parabola, you get the point B. Okay. That means if this is y equal to mx plus 2m, then y square equal to x minus 2, right? Parabola equation. So if I see this, this is m square x square plus 4m square minus 1x plus 4m square plus 2 equal to 0. And we know that x has only one root, correct? As it is a tangent. Only one point you will get only one solution for the x, which means the determinant is equal to discriminant is equal to 0, right? Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac, which is 4m square minus 1 whole square minus 4m square times 4m square plus 2 equal to 0, which is nothing but if I solve it, I get m equal to plus or minus 4. M equal to plus or minus 4. I should take plus 4 because it is very clearly mentioned that it is in the first quadrant. B is in the first quadrant, not fourth quadrant. Okay. So substitute m square equal to 1 by 16 in the quadratic, then we get, okay, x square by 16 minus 3 by 4x plus 9 by 4, which is equal to 0. That means x is equal to, right, x is equal to 6. That's the coordinate of the x. Okay, that means b is nothing but 6 comma 2. B is 6 comma 2. So you have a point B now, which is 6 comma 2, and C is 6 comma 0, right? When I drop a perpendicular from here, you will get a 6 comma 0. Okay. Now what I need is the area covered by AB curve. That means only this part, A and this part. How can I get only this part? Okay. First I will calculate the full triangle area and subtract the area under the parabola curve. Area under the parabola curve from 2 comma 0 to 6 comma 2. That's all, right? Right? So let's do that. So required area of is equal to area of triangle ABC minus integration of 6 to 2 to 6, because I am doing with the x value, right? So 2 to 6, okay, square root of x minus 2. Y square equal to x minus 2 is the parabola equation. So y is nothing but square root of x minus 2 dx, which is equal to area of triangle is nothing but half into, okay, 8 minus 2 to 6, distance is base is 8, height is 2, okay, minus half into 8 into 2 minus integration of this one is nothing but x minus 2 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, okay, from 2 to 6. Okay, so I have to apply upper bound of 6 and lower bound of 2. If I do that, what I will get is simplify it and to do it, I'll get 8 by 3. Okay, this is the required area under this curve covering with the triangle and the curve. Okay, that's answer. Next. Yeah, let's learn a concept. Parametric equations of a chord of parabola y square equal to 4ax passing through the focus. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell is you have a parabola whose equation is y square equal to 4ax, and there is a chord PQ. It is passing through the focus F. If I take parametric point for P, then what is the coordinates of Q in terms of P coordinates? Okay, that is what I'm trying to derive now. This is very important formula to remember, because otherwise also you can solve the problem, but you will take longer time. If you know this one, many problems you can solve it very fast. Okay, let's see how to do this. Yeah, let AT square comma 2AT be the general point on parabola. Because my parabola is y square equal to 4ax, I have to take x in such a way that I should get a square, right? So I took AT square as my x, then I'll get y as 2AT, correct? That's why I took AT square 2AT. This is the general point on the parabola. Then P and Q will be 81 square comma 281, and Q will be 82 square comma 282. Okay. Now, equation of line PQ is nothing but y minus 282, a 2-point formula I am using basically. Okay. So this is my equation of line PQ. Now, If I simplify this, I'll get y times t1 plus t2 equal to 2x plus 2a t1 t2. Okay. Now, this is passing through the focus a comma 0. So, if I substitute a comma 0, x equal to a and y equal to 0, what I will get is 2a equal to minus 2a t1 t2 or t1 equal to minus 1 by t2. Okay, they are basically t1 into t2 equal to minus 1. That's the relation between t1 and t2, which means what are the points I'm looking at? P is at square comma 2at, then q will be a by t square comma minus 2a by t. This is my q. Okay, this is very important formula to remember. Otherwise, you will spend time in solving it. Okay, again. So remember it, it's very easy. It is just they are perpendicular. And the product of it is equal to minus 1. That's it. Okay. So let's solve some problems based on this. Okay. Let ABCD be a trapezium whose vertices lie on the parabola y square equal to 4x. Let the sides AD and BC of trapezium be parallel to y-axis. Okay. If the diagonal AC is of length 25 by 4 and it passes through the point 1 comma 0, then the area of ABCD is. Okay. So let's start the picture first. This is how it looks. You have a parabola whose equation is y square equal to 4x. That itself should strike you that 1 comma 0 is the focus. That's why I put f 1 comma 0. And AC is the diagonal of this trapezium is constructed like this. AC is the diagonal which is passing through the focus. That means if I take just whatever we learnt, if I take the general equation, parametric equation of A, I can say what is the coordinates of C also. Correct? That's what I'm looking at. Okay, because it is passing to the focus point 1 comma 0. Now, one more thing you should remember is the axis actually goes through focus point, correct? Which means this trapezium is very much symmetric to uh, this one. So DB also has to pass through f comma 0. Okay, DB also has to pass through f comma 0. Okay, because this is a symmetric picture. Okay, now let's see. So let a t square comma 2t. Here I took because it is y square equal to 4x. I took t square comma 2t be the general point on the parabola. Okay, which means my c is nothing but, if this is a, then my c is nothing but 1 by t square comma minus 2 by t, because it is a card going through the focus point. Okay, so my AC square is nothing but t square minus 1 by t square whole square plus 2t plus 2 by t whole square, which is equal to, if I simplify, what I'll get is t plus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4. This is my AC square. So AC is nothing but t plus 1 by t whole square, which is 25 by 6. Okay, now I can solve this very easily. T plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 5 by square root of 3. So I get two values, either t is equal to 2 or t is equal to half. These are the two values I get. Okay, now once I know that, substitute one of the value t. For t equal to half, I get a as 1 by 4 comma 1 and c as 4 comma minus 4. Okay, and t equal to half is what? Nothing but, okay, t equal to 2 is nothing but b is 4 comma 4 and d is 1 comma 4 comma 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Okay, these are my ABCDs. Now once you know the trapezium, right, once you know this, these are the trapeziums, then it is very easy to find out the area of trapezium. There are many ways. You can find out the length of two diagonals and half into sum of diagonals, or you can use shoeless method. The area of ABCD is 75 by 4. Okay, so hope you understood how to apply this parametric equations of A and C, which is a card to the parabola passing through the focus point, and also BD. I applied both places. Okay, the actually solution gives me 2 points, two such points which are possible going through the focus points, and both of them happen to be the diagonals of the trapezium here because it's a symmetric picture. Okay, next. Let the shortest distance from a comma 0 to the parabola y square equal to 4x be 4. Then the equation of the circle passing to the point a comma 0 on the focus of the parabola and having its center on the axis of parabola. Okay, multiple information is given. First draw the picture. You have a parabola which is y square equal to 4x. So its focus is 1 comma 0. Correct. There is a point a comma 0, which means it has to be on the axis of the parabola. Correct. So r a comma 0. Okay, and this is shortest distance from the parabola is 4. That means PR equal to 4. That's what is given. If P general point I am taking t square comma 2t, then distance of PR is equal to 4. Okay. Now I need to construct a circle going through R and F, covering R and F. Okay. And center is on the same axis, because this is the axis of the parabola. So obviously, so midpoint of these 2 points is the center. Correct. So that you understand. So let's do the problem. T square comma 2t be the point on parabola whose shortest distance from R a comma 0. Okay. So PR becomes normal to the parabola because it's the shortest distance. Okay. And perpendicular to the tangent at P. Now, how can I find out the tangent at P? One is slope of the tangent. I can find slope of tangent of any curve. If you take, you differentiate. Okay. dy by dx is nothing but the slope of it. Okay. So if I differentiate, I get dy by dx as 2 by y, which is slope of tangent at a point. Okay. And in this case, the point is t square comma 2t. So y is 2t. So if I substitute y as 2t, then I get 1 by t. So at P, slope of tangent is 1 by t, which means slope of normal is, because it's perpendicular to the tangent. So slope of normal is minus t, okay, which is equal to, minus t is equal to, I have 2 points, right? I can find out 2t minus 0 divided by t square minus a. Okay, from this one I get an equation. A is equal to t square plus 2. Okay, a is equal to t square plus 2. Now, PR is given as 4. Correct? PR is given as 4. So again, I have 2 points. T square minus 2 whole square plus 2t minus 0 whole square. Okay. Here I took a as t square plus 2. That's why. Otherwise, it's t square minus a whole square. Okay. Now, if I simplify it, I get t as square root of 3. T is square root of 3. So, a is nothing but a comma 0 is nothing but 5 comma 0. This is my R. Now, I have F, I have R. Both are on the circle, and center of the circle on the same axis, which is same as FR. That means center is midpoint. So my center is 3 comma 0, and my radius is nothing but 5 minus 3 you can take, which is 2. So my equation of the circle is passing through 3 comma 0, center at 3 comma 0, and radius is 2, which is x minus 3 whole square plus y square equal to 4. This is the equation of the circle which we are looking at. Okay, next. Yeah, that's all. So these are the 5 critical problems I choose actually, explaining almost all the concepts of parabola are there in this. Okay, hope you understand and remember this concept very well. Solve more problems. You can look at my charts actually. Many problems are based on this fundamental definition of parabola itself. Okay, those are very, very important.